Leute, ich bin die Vivi. Ich mache hier von zu Hause ein Video für die Cutter, weil ich muss immer im Vlog sein, ja. Ich weiß gar nicht, was ich sagen soll. Ich wollte einfach nur im Vlog sein, weil ich bin in jedem Vlog. Ich sitze hier an meinem neuen Tisch, wollt ihr ihn sehen? Ja, ich mache euch eine kleine Tour. Einmal gibt es das hier und einmal gibt es das hier. Das war meine Tour. Ich wollte euch jetzt eine Roomtour machen, aber lieber nicht, weil mein Zimmer ist echt nicht aufgeräumt. Ich hoffe, euch geht's allen gut. Okay, tschüss Leute.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to.
Where are we at?
We are currently at Seaside Beach. I actually just today found out that's what it's called. There's the sign. In Fort Bragg, California.
Very nice.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
The water is so cold that you step in and your feet turns into ice. Literally. It's crazy. So you can't be in there for a while. Only if you have like a swimming suit or whatever. Yeah, let's just tap into the water and then come back. Okay, that was a fail.
I've been stuck on your memory. What are you
doing right now?
Going up on this rock.
And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Literally just saved my ass this rock.
Focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my
Oh shit!
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately.
God, how did I not get my ass?
I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Okay, we're kind of partner looking.
She means twinsies. We're twinsies.
Yes, we are.
Hey look, Kata, it's the Depot Mall and Museum.
Oh my god, can we go there? I'm always wanted to go there.
No, you want to go to Mayan Fusion restaurant.
Main Smokehouse, Butterscotch, chocolate.
We're all beached out, so now we're going to get ice cream.
Fahrenheit. It's cold. But we're rocking this down. It looks so good.
What is the thing that we're doing?
Patalog.
Yeah, that. We're twinsies because we're both wearing blue. See? Huh? We're both wearing blue. Tell them what it is.
Patalog.
I just need to clear my head. All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime.
Get in trouble. I guarantee you I won't need it by the end of the trip.
Quick check.
How can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
Alright, so we arrived in San Francisco. I'm so excited. I'm gonna spend the next couple of days here. We were currently at Costco, Trader Joe's, and Chipotle. 3 very American things, and it was really nice. We just need to pick up some stuff, and then we're off to home. And I'm super excited. Let's see what San Francisco has in store for me.
Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're all up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive.
I am currently in my room that I'm gonna be staying in tomorrow. We're waking up. We're gonna look at everything that is in the area, and I'm really excited because tomorrow is the whole day that we have, and then the day after tomorrow I'm leaving again. I'm going back to Redwood Valley, so I'm very much gonna use tomorrow to see everything. Yes, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Going around like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
Hey, babe.
there's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
That's a ship. That's a freaking ship. What the hell? Kitty, what are we doing right now? Where are we currently?
We're bonding, Keisha, but we're bonding.
Where were we before this?
Along the Embarcadero, I don't know.
Yeah.
We're
Like
in
the
San
bay.
Francisco, West Coast.
Yeah, literally.
My limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong.
Alright, so I just came back. I'm gonna do a haul now of the things that I bought. But the first thing I bought is this little necklace. It's from my best friend Cheyenne. Yeah, let's go on with the haul. Yeah, so this is the fit of today. Now let's change into what I bought. Let's go. Alright, so this is the look. So first of all, I bought this jacket and it's absolutely fire. It's also very comfortable and it's so good looking. Absolutely in love. I bought this cap. You know me, I love me some caps, so I had to buy one from San Francisco. And then I finally always wanted the Santa Cruz t-shirt, so that's what I bought. Santa Cruz t-shirt, and the back is like this. Yeah, so absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 today. It was a successful day.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
guys. It's Future Kata once again. I really should have made outros. But this is once again the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you gave it a like, and if you're not subscribed already, you should really do it because I got some really good content coming out your way. Make sure to watch all my other videos. There is the last video is also from America, so if you haven't watched it, then go do that now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.